Okay guys, hello for this video. Nandito kami sa RJ Hichanova National High School. Ayan, dito. So, for this video, we're having here a corporate social responsibility. So, which is components to a career of our office. So, dito ngayon papasok kami kasi we're going to have a little bit of an outreach pa. Ayan, so guys, ito pala. So this is my first time to be here in this school. So kung kailan kami dito mag-career guidance. Ngayon ako nakapunta dito. So tingnan natin guys yung palibot ng school. So, yung iba kong kasama nandito na. So, maagang-maaga nandito na sila. Of course, tingnan nyo guys, sa paligid. Dami parang kahoy dito. Ayun yung gym nila. Ayun yung mga kasama namin sa dulo. So, maagang-maaga talaga sila. Oh, maagang-maaga din kami. Diyan, ayan. So, ayan, magpa-register muna tayo. Kailangan na naka-register yung pangalan natin dito para makakuha tayo, syempre, ng t-shirt, of course. So, ayan guys. Magpo-fall in line kami doon ni MJ. Syempre, ayan. So, check attendance. Checking. Dito tayo. Ayan. So, ayan sila guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. So, ayan si MJ. Check attendance. Check. Ayan. So, then, next. Magpalista din kami kasi kukuha kami ng t-shirt namin. Ayan. So, ayan. Kailangan talaga guys magpalista para may check attendance plus yung pangalan mo dapat doon sa list. Ayan. So, dumating na si... Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning, UM.
Go!
Alright, so that's the energy that we want to get from everyone, no? From RJ Hichanova Memorial National High School. So, again, good morning to all of you. My name is Priscilla Sarsa, this is facilitator for today's event. We are from Kerala Global Solutions, specifically from the Provider Services Tower. And this is our first CSR activity, so we're bringing Kerala in the community. So, before we all get started, and before we get to learn everything about the program today, may I just request everyone to please all rise for the invitation.
We ask that you will bless every person who has gathered here today, and that you will be present with us in a special way. We pray that this program,
To this exciting and enlightening event, CSR activity here at RG Hachanova Memorial High School. We are thrilled to have each and every one of you here today as we embark on a journey of knowledge and inspiration. So at Caroline Global Solutions, we strongly believe in the power of education and the importance of nurturing young minds, and that is why we have organized the CSR activity specifically for the students of RG Hachanova Memorial National High School. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, to help us, to officially open this morning CSR activity, may we call in the ever-dynamic principal, very young, principal of RG Hachanova Memorial National High School, Mr. Benji Ubado. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Thank you, sir.
The kind of endeavor we embark on this morning not only speaks of high cognizance of corporate social responsibility, but it also highlights an immense sense of gratitude and care, which is reflective of Caroline Global Solutions, Iloilo, one of the leading and fast-growing BPO companies in our city. And if I were to add, this activity we have this morning not only paves the way for partnerships for our school, RG Hachanova Memorial National High School, but most importantly, it opens doors of opportunities for our Arjunian learners. Opportunities to grow, opportunities to learn. And so together with my department head, Ma'am Christine Casagete, the strong senior high school teachers, and of course our senior high school learners, I sincerely thank you and I warmly welcome the team from Caroline Global Solutions, Iloilo. I would like to recognize and acknowledge them. So we have Ms. Aurora Ernie, the Senior Operations Manager. Of course, the CSR organizers, the operation managers. We have Sir Prince Rosario, Sir Nick Tolosa, Novel Fernandez, and the other operation managers who are here. And of course, the assistant managers, the speakers, the associates, and definitely the volunteers. Thank you so much for choosing our school as one of your beneficiaries. And we are very privileged to have forged partnerships with your company, Caroline Global Solutions, Iloilo. And to our learners, I sincerely appreciate your attendance today. Thank you for coming. Despite the risk of the high heat index that we experience in Iloilo City, kinlisinsya lang naman kamo sa inyong parents, and so be safe. After the activity, go home. Hindi na maglaga kung dito para na-safe kita. This activity is for you, so listen and actively participate. Good morning and thank you everyone.
Thank you, Sir Benji. So, Sir Benji has been very welcoming since day one. So, when we approached Sir Benji, as one of those schools that we're considering for the CSR activity, he really made sure to provide all the necessary information that we need in order for us to be able to push through with this CSR activity. So once again, let's give Sir Benji and the entire faculty RG Hasanova Memorial National High School. A big round of applause, please. Alright, so Sir Benji was actually correct now, despite of the very high hit index that we are experiencing, we are so grateful to have all of you here today with us. And I know that, it's really a lot of sacrifices for some of you to really travel. But at the same time, I know that you are also very much excited and elated to be able to learn new things, in this particular activity. So I just can't remember myself. It was just 5 years ago. I was also a senior high. Parang maraming reaction ng 5 years ago. I was also very excited whenever there are activities or programs such as this. Na sinasabi yung mga school teachers namin, there will be people coming from a different organization who will be visiting us, and conduct these types of activities. I'm very excited, and I can see in your eyes that you guys can't wait to start the program. So without further ado, let me just first call in our ever-supporting